In this video, we're going to be looking at Runway, particularly the new feature that is pretty much like ChatGPT, but for images. So we're going to check it out. So if you go to runwayml.com, this is a very known, excellent AI image tool. It's similar to ChatGPT, but a lot more extensive in terms of functionality for images of what you can actually do. So ChatGPT has a lot of restrictions on it for images, whereas Runway ML has a lot more flexibility with what you can actually do. Now you can describe your idea by generating a simple image, or you can actually upload an image. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm slightly annoyed because I've just done the entire video and for some reason the screen had frozen and everything I was telling you wasn't working, which is a bit strange. So if I have a quick look now, I just want to start a new workspace just to give you an idea of what I've been working on. So this is the main screen that you get, what you want to create today. So you describe the idea that you want. The amazing thing is you can have up to 3 image references. So you could have 3 images of yourself. You could have 1 image of yourself, one image of the beach, for example. It might be that you're a musician and you actually want to give it some context and say this is a keyboard, make sure I'm playing this particular keyboard, and it'll try and do that for you. So when you're on the main screen, you literally go to add images here. This is where you can select the images that you actually want. You let it upload and then you literally give it your text prompt of what you want it to create, and it'll go away with the run button and it'll start creating it for you. Now, because I've already done this, I've already used up my free credits on the free plan. It may not be as fun, but I'm just going to show you the results of what it's actually done. Okay, so I've got some examples here of some quite interesting things, to be fair. So you can put in, as I've said, the images that you want to train the model if you like, and what you can then do is you can generate images such as this. So for this one, I literally uploaded a picture of myself and I asked it, so that if I look at the original session, that might be more helpful. So I uploaded this image here and this image here, and I've said me in a synthwave scene. So it's gone away. It doesn't take long, maybe a minute. It says, I'll create a more professional synthwave scene for you with the image. As if the last one wasn't professional enough. Let me generate that for you. So it goes away, and that's what it's done. I mean, that's pretty impressive. Yes, it's obvious that that's AI, generated, but I think that's a really cool scene. And the amazing thing about it is that you then have the chat and then you can edit it how you want. You can give it suggestions, you can download it, you can favorite it, you can put in another image input if you want to, or you can just simply go to new chat and then you can start that again. So I thought that was really cool to actually see. If I have a look again at the other things that I've created. So I then tried this one. So if I have a look at the original session, so same again, so I produced that image and then I said, it suggested, would you like to animate this cyberpunk portrait into a video or make any other modifications to the image? So I said, now make this more yellow and green effect rather than purple. It went a bit further than just that. It changed the position that I was in. And it has a lot more yellow emphasis on it this time, with kind of a side view with this kind of interesting cyberpunk effect added into it. So again, I thought that was really good. But then I thought, go further, and instead of it being a purple fog at the bottom, change the purple fog to green at the bottom of the image. So that's exactly what it did. A lot better there. Still some elements of purple in it, but mainly, that's pretty cool. But then it added that kind of weird thing. So it does hallucinate, so it's something to be conscious of that. Every time you do this, it's taking about 5 credits off you. So just be conscious that you're using credits every time you're using the text prompt. Whereas with ChatGPT, you don't typically do that. And then it did make a suggestion. So it said, how about animating this image into a cyberpunk video with the city lights pulsing and some subtle movement? So it was able to do that as well. So if I just show that, that's a pretty cool effect, right? If I have a look at some of the other things that I created, this is quite an interesting one. So I'll have a look at the original session for this to show you. So this was, I put 3 images of myself up, which is the maximum you can currently do as of recording this video. Put me on a spaceship playing a keyboard. I'll create that spaceship scene for you. So there you go, it's gone away, but what it's done is put the keyboard the wrong way round, and you can see that's AI generated because it really does struggle with music called keys for some reason. But overall, the image looks pretty cool. So then what happened is, where's the original chat? Yeah. So would you like to animate or make another modification? So I said that the keyboard is not realistic and it's the wrong way around from the player, so please adjust. So it said I'll fix the orientation, but it hasn't done that. So again, be conscious of how many credits you're using to make adjustments. But at the end of the day, if you're getting the perfect image, then it's worthwhile, isn't it? Would you like to animate this scene into a video? And I said to do that. And that's exactly what it's done here. So if I click on it, how do I make this full screen? Oh, there you go. There you go. Look, I'm bobbing my head up and down. You can see the waveforms changing as I'm playing, even though the keyboard's the wrong way around. I just thought that's pretty cool. Another really cool feature is you can upscale to 4K. I don't know how many credits that uses, but that's something to bear in mind. Oh, I haven't used up all of my credits. Apologies. Interesting. Would you like to upscale this video to 4K quality? So you can go through as many reiterations as you want that your credits actually allow. I just think it's a really cool tool. I really do. You can get notifications when the generations are complete so that you get a heads up on that. Videos take a lot longer, maybe about 4 minutes for videos. But I just think it's great because all of these images that you can input at any time in this text prompt is basically setting the scenes, and they're called references, and then that goes into your assets folder to use in the future as well. So I just think this tool, for what it can do, is absolutely amazing. So from text prompt with reference images, for 50 credits for free, you can obviously create amazing images and videos now with Runway. So yeah, so I'll leave a link in the description, and let me know if you're using this tool. It'd be great to know. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye.